Morning, everybody. If you haven't already seen the news, Tableau 10.2 was released yesterday. And playing around with the beta, I found quite an interesting trick that we can use to make custom polygons. So what I'm going to show you quickly is how to pull in the custom poly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in a shape file, and we can have a look at the data quickly. In that shape file, you can see that there is a geometry column with polygons, and Tableau have made this really easy to map. So I can pull this data in. This is the police precinct data for South Africa, and what I'm going to do is pull in a copy of some of the crime stats, pretty much just dragging and dropping that onto the screen. What I'm going to do now is create my custom join, because the one data set has a completely different naming convention. So I'm going to go component name and police station, link up that data, and that is going to allow me to pull some of the crime stats on there. What I'm going to do is just filter it by year so that it is not reading that much information at one time. And you can now pull your incidents onto the color. This is a fairly straightforward operation. What we need to do as well is we just need to pull that police station onto detail so that we've got the joining field. What you'll see is that we now have custom shaded polys. One of the very interesting things about this is Tableau now understands what a donut is. For those of you that don't know, that is when you have a polygon that has a central area that is not actually part of the shape. And you'll find these in areas where you've got a town surrounded by a larger area. One of the funny idiosyncrasies that I've also discovered is we can take this information and say now we're going to pull the incidents on and pull the police station data in. I'm just going to add all members because that makes life a little easier for me. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shapes and drag those onto detail, and if I convert this map to a filled map, we suddenly have custom shapes applied to our dataset, which makes it really eye-catching in terms of how you want to present that information. Well, I hope you enjoyed that trick. Let's get out and make some awesome data visualizations.